Alrighty guys, we are going to be reviewing the new iPhone 11. So let's jump into it. I hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys want to purchase one of these, there'll be a link down below. So let's jump into the review. So obviously when you first get your brand new iPhone, you get all the same old stuff. You get headphones, you get a USB cord, and you get a wall adapter. Now, I had those things plugged in because I need to charge them, so I don't have them actually with me. I could go get them. They're like 3 feet away, but I'm just gonna, you guys know what I'm talking about. And you guys came to this video because you want to see this, not the charger. The phone I had before this was the iPhone 7, and this is completely different. Now this phone does not have a button down here like the iPhone 7 did. This phone has the face recognition where I can just look at it, then swipe up, and I'm in. And it's so streamlined, it almost feels like there isn't even a passcode to it, because I just open my phone, look at it, and swipe up. It's nothing too big of a deal. Now, I did get the white one. I was looking to get the black one, but they didn't have any, so I thought I would just get the white. The choices I had were white or red, so I just went with the white. Now, this is like the newest phone that I've ever owned. I've never owned like the newest of the newest phones. I did get this through Sprint. That is the service that I have. It's just very popular around where I'm at, and it's a little more affordable than getting Verizon or anything else like that. So looking at this phone, now this phone has 3 cameras on the back. You guys can see 2 up on the very top and 1 off to the side, and then the flashlight thing. This phone has 46 gigabytes of storage, so it's double the amount of the iPhone 7 that I had. The one that I had before only had 32, and I already can tell that this one I can store as many photos as I pretty much want, but realistically we always kind of run out of storage eventually because we get used to it and time goes by and we save our stuff and it builds up. So I think this is a cool thing. It's a little more than last time. They keep doing it. I remember when the iPhone 5 came out and there was 16 gigabytes. 16. That's how much I had. And I remember never having enough storage. But this one is like 3 times the amount of that. So that is crazy and I'm very excited. So looking at this phone, I think it's a clean look. I never really held one like this. You know, I didn't want to get the Plus or any of the plus size phones just because they're too big. They sit too heavy in my pocket. And I did get a nice case for it. I got the OtterBox case just because if I drop it, I don't want it to break. And those are super easy to put on. You just get these little 2 pieces, they clip on, and they put the rubber piece around it. Now the photos on this, the photos and videos on this camera is one of the main reasons why I got it, because I did want an alternate camera to my Canon G9X, because I always have this thing in my pocket, and if I see something cool I want to make a cool video, I can do it right on my phone and I don't have to lug around another camera or anything like that. So we're going to be showing you guys some pictures and videos of it right now. So overall, this phone, I think this is my favorite iPhone that I've ever owned by far. It blows out the 7. There's more storage and it's so clear. It's so easy to use and I love it. And I can't wait. And if I was going to review this, I think this would be a 4.7 out of 5 because I think a 5-star has to be like best of the best. But I think this is very close to it. And I love the glass on the back, you know, and you can get another charger and put it on the back, I think, so you can just set your phone down. But I think my case might be too big for that. So, you know, that is it though. If you guys want to pick up one of these, there will be a link down below for you. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Take care. Have a good one.